Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of day 3, week April 20th through the 24th. So now we're on math. So I know a lot of you are having issues with placing dots or drawing dots inside of here. So what you can always do is here's a text box right here. And then you can just type in, let's see, Cooper. Sorry, Cooper is attacking my windows over there. So 6 robots. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they have 7 items in each robot. So what I do is I'll just type 7 because it's a lot easier. So then click another text box. You have to make more. 7. Click it again. 7. So just like that throughout the whole thing. Now, if you happen to erase a text box, remember, if I accidentally erased that just now, and you're like, oh my God, I don't know what happened to my stuff. There's a button right here. You can back it up. Okay, so now 6 times 7 equals, so it'll be 7, 14, so I'm adding by 7s. 7, 14, 21, and then keep going. Remember, you can use scratch paper if you need to. That is going to be your best friend, especially now that we're working on the computers together. All right, number 8. How much is 10 groups of 5? Write a multiplication equation, show your work. So I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's another 5. So there's 10 of these. 5 must go inside. 5. Now, keep doing that, put 5s in all of them, but for your multiplication equation, you can just put it up here with your text box. 10 groups times 5 in each equals, so I'll leave this up here for you so you can just type in there. I'm going to put a border color so that way you can see the box. Remember, if you click it like this and you don't see that little dash, that little line that beeps, or not beeps, but like, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't see that, it's going to erase the whole thing like that. So remember, you have to see this. You see how that line is dashing like that? Then you can press the backspace, okay? Wes has 3 rows of tomato plants. There are 5 plants in each row. So he has, and I'm going to use I'll use the line. That way I can help you better. So the line, there's 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, right? The rows go this way. Remember, rows go that way. So he's got 1, 2, 3. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So 3 rows times 5 columns equals 15. And you can count by 5s doing that. 5, 10, 15. Just like that. Now this one's a little bit more difficult. Try your best to do it because you don't have the marker like I do. But circle equal groups of 2, then fill in the blanks to show the multiplication fact. So if you can do a text box, that would work. So just put the box around 2 stars. But you have to press this little border color to make it where you can see it. Just like that. So I will help you do this. I'm going to finish it real quick and then I will come back to the video. Okay, so I just finished your boxes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. So right here, make sure you see that little line dash, okay? So we have 6 boxes, so 6 groups of, and how many are inside each of those? 2 is, oops, gotta make sure I see that. 6 times 2 is, and I'll let you figure that out. So